clean energy and electric vehicles were one of the top performing sectors or industries in 2020, and I absolutely believe that that performance can follow through into 2021 and beyond. Now, especially with the new administration pushing for clean, green energy all across the board, I believe that there's going to be a lot of innovation in this space, and it's going to really, really take hold in 2021, and your portfolios are going to thank you for investing in those spaces now. So in this video, we're going to be talking about Lion Electric and Northern Genesis Acquisition Corp. Okay, what do they do? Is this the company you should be investing in? And kind of where do we go from here? So if this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. Now, if you like the content on this channel, please don't forget to click that like button. And if the subscribe button is still red, I don't know why, make sure you click that subscribe button, join the channel, and become a bro, and let's grow together in 2021. Now, like I said, we're going to be talking about Lion Electric in this video, kind of what they do and whether or not this is a stock you should add to your portfolio. Now, there are a lot of SPACs out there lately, and they're getting a lot of attention, and it seems to be that electric vehicles are going haywire over SPAC acquisitions, and a lot of SPACs are picking up these electric vehicle, electric battery companies, right? This one's no different. We're talking about Lion Electric in this one, and they're being acquired by Northern Genesis Acquisition Corp. So what does Lion Electric do? Lion Electric makes electric school buses, those big semi-trucks, and then mini buses. So they're not really in the passenger vehicle space, but they are in the very large bus space and semi space. So this is obviously going to set them apart from just things like Tesla. And, maybe there's a lot of other companies out there that do it as well, but I haven't seen a company that focuses on electric school buses, right? This is actually one of the first ones I've come across where their main thing is electric school buses. So this could be huge. And especially if they're one of the first movers and one of the first companies to really dominate this space of electric school buses. Now, I know that school districts aren't the richest of things to be going after, and they don't always have the money, especially to, buy brand new buses or entire fleets of buses. But let's think about this for a second, guys. At the beginning of the video, I mentioned that the new administration's coming in, and I'm sure they're willing to spend and spend and spend and give away all that money, right? Which school districts could benefit from all this spending if the new administration is willing to, divvy it out for things like electric school bus fleets and bringing that emission down to zero. So this company could really benefit from that moving forward. Now, right now, if you're looking at actually purchasing one of these school buses or one of these semi-trucks, I think you need anywhere from a $2,000 to a $5,000 down payment to set your pre-order up. And then from there, I don't exactly know how long it's going to take before they get these vehicles to production and to the schools and to the districts and to the cities that are going to, acquire these vehicles and use them to lower their emissions down to zero. But they are setting themselves up for success because electric vehicles, clean energy, it's all the rage right now. So I know everybody out there is wondering, is this a stock? Should I be adding this stock to my portfolio sometime in 2021? Now, I do want to say this. This channel has covered a lot of SPAC acquisitions on electric vehicle and electric batteries for vehicle, these types of companies. So if you're going out and you're buying a lot of electric vehicle stocks, you want to diversify a little bit. And I don't just mean, okay, this company is selling school buses, whereas this company is selling cars, or this company is selling just batteries and things like this. Well, we don't want to be too heavily weighted in one sector or one industry. Okay, yes, it's possible that the electric vehicle space is going to absolutely soar this year, and we would want to be overweighted in it. But for diversity purposes, take a look at your current portfolio. How many positions are you in the electric vehicle space? If you think you're overweighted, if you think you might be leaning a little too heavy in that EV or in that clean energy space, maybe this is not something you want to add to your portfolio. But I do believe that this stock shows huge potential, and this company shows huge potential, especially with the new administration that's going in there. and their willingness and desire to bring cities, districts, all the way down to zero emissions and really push that clean energy space. So with this being said, what are we looking at for the stock price right now? The stock is already all the way up to $32 per share. Now this could be a little rich for my blood, especially knowing that we're not really out there. We haven't finalized the acquisition yet. We don't have all of the stats on who's going to be ordering these school buses and these semis, and what the demand's going to be like, and if that money is going to be there from the new administration, right? We have an idea of this is what they want to push, but until we actually see it, is this something that I'm going to be getting into? So I'm going to go ahead and say no, I'm not getting into this one just yet. I could be missing out. I could be missing out big time. But I want to know from you guys, is this a stock that you have in your portfolio right now? Did you get in at a lot lower price and you're already booking profits, or what does it kind of look like for you? So make sure to let me know down in the comments below if this is something you have, or if it's something you're interested in, or kind of your thoughts on the clean energy space in general. So if you liked the video, please don't forget to click that like button. If the subscribe button is still red, I'll give you one more chance. Go ahead, click that subscribe button, join the channel, become a bro, and let's grow together in 2021. Now, until the next time, I hope that all of you guys have an awesome day.